doing a challenge that a subscriber wanted us to do. It's called the airplane challenge, and I'll be putting the shout out to the subscriber on the video over here in this corner. Okay, it's the airplane challenge, and we're gonna try to do it for 3 minutes. Now, if y'all if y'all seen our yoga videos, y'all know that I don't know. We'll see. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
Let me get the stop thing going. We're gonna do for 3 minutes. All right. I need to move the camera up, or I think we good. Okay. Feet up. Let's start. You hold it. You should put your feet. What? Okay.
Put your arms down, son. Yeah. Not out. Put them together. Just push down with your arms. Give you some sensibility.
Okay.
Look at the camera. We're doing it.
Okay.
Stop wiggling.
Hold it. I'm trying not to wiggle.
Just don't wiggle. I got you.
You the one down there shaking.
I can relax if you just don't move.
I'm not moving.
Because you're actually comfortable in this position. Yeah, your stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurt. I feel like I'm about to break a bead of sweat. How do we can't even see the timer? It's only on 51 seconds.
Well, we almost at a minute. Okay.
I'm finna give it up.
Don't do it, baby. We can do it. It's 3 minutes. You try.
My pelvis. Don't drop me.
I'm not going to drop you.
Okay. No.
You're not going to fall.
I'm going over.
No, you're not. Stop wiggling. Stop getting scared. I got you.
Okay.
I got you. Well, how many minutes? I can see the timer on the camera. Oh, you moved. You wiggle. You can't stretch over to look. Oh, my back.
We got 1 minute and 42 seconds. That hurt my stomach. All right. So that was the airplane challenge, guys. We may try to come back and do it again. What you think?
I don't know.
All right, guys. We'll be back with some more videos this week. Bye.
My back.